Hi, Flint here. Today I'll be telling you about drones. I'm sure you've heard all about drones, but do you know the story behind them? Drones are often called unmanned aircraft. They can be controlled remotely by a human or by a computer. Drones were developed for the military by the aerospace industry. Recently, drones have become more mainstream than ever before. We see this increase in the use of drones because of the many applications, safety, and efficiency that they bring. The technology used in drones was very expensive until recently. Thanks to the technological innovation, many ordinary people are now able to get their own drone. You might think that drones are a new technology that had their debut on the tech scene in the last few years. Be ready to get your mind blown by the real history. The first concept of drones goes back to 1849, when Austria attacked Venice by unmanned balloons stuffed with explosives. After the outbreak of World War I, we saw a big leap forward in the technology as the first pilotless aircrafts were built. Big, small, long range or close range, there are many different types of drones today. Drones come in a variety of sizes. They can be as big as a plane or small enough to fit in your palm. Drones can be used for taking photos or videos by the military, companies, or just for fun by regular people. Besides the military, business or fun factor, drones can also be used for a variety of other purposes. A drone can be used for an emergency rescue during disaster relief or an accident. Places that are hard to reach become much more accessible with drones. Drones can also help with conservation of wildlife on our planet. By tracking the different groups of animals in the wild, we can get a better idea of their health and their habits. Drones can help us with reforestation all over the world, by dropping seeds to places that are being deforested or after a big wildfire. Drones can also be used or abused by people with bad intention. Most drones are equipped with an HD camera, and this can make spying on other people quite easy to do. We can't predict the future, but we can speculate what may happen. Drones could, for instance, be used to fight climate change. Alternatively, they might also be used to deliver precious medical supplies to hospitals in remote regions of the globe, which are otherwise very hard to reach by ground travel. As we saw, there are a lot of uncertainties about the future, but we can almost say with certainty that drones will have an impact on our future lives.